Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kaseng Kongres ke Basyong hakaliang persya, hak yang dorbar tawaan jongkari, hak South Tarik mentau Naiwieng arajar kat kendai, kala Pynbna ban khot perlong no da ke Jingiakhih ha Baroh Kawei kari India. Keban sedang Naduh ke Tarik, bat keban kot hadu ke Tarik, mentau Naiwieng, mentau senam arjar kat kendai. Kebalong komsi benta, kejing persya ya kejing bomdan kilat yok kam yok jami ki samla, kejing hiar ke yok kot, kejing kiudor ki marba mardi hakari Baroh Kawei, nangta kejing kelam ke banking system, bat kejing hiar ru ke rep keriang, ke balakta ya kinong rep ha Baroh Kawei kari. U General Secretary jeng ke All India Congress Committee, u Lozin Ho Falero. Haka jingkran berkinong patai kubur haka South Tarik mentau Naiwieng arajar kat kendai haka ni kanong ba Shillong. Ulai tu baka jing simrai ke Kongres ban pelong ya kani ke Jingiakhih pai ba. Kalong ban nyadai ke than chatai lamik ngi na ki jing temu basneu jong ke seng BJP ke ba persang ban penurlong ya ke Citizenship Amendment Bill ke balong Kawei ni ki boit bare ban penjak klep ya ke larti bat ya ke snap bakerpang jong ki riulum ki basyang basa haka ni ke than chatai lamik ngi.
Congress party and especially Congress President Srimati Sonia Gandhi has directed all the office bearers to visit all the states in India and have a district movement. It is an agitational program from 5th to 15th against the economy, against unemployment, against agrarian problems. And for me, for us, this is an operation to save the country. When I'm in the Northeast, this is an operation to save the Northeast. And when I'm here in Shillong, which is a nerve center, and this is the first press conference of ours, because Shillong is the nerve center of the Northeast, this is a really operation to save Meghalaya. Desh Bachao. And you will understand and you will appreciate, Congress party is the only party committed and proved to preserve the northeastern states, to preserve and protect their unique identity, their unique culture, and their cultural identity. As all of you know, today, northeastern states face a grave danger from the evil designs from the BJP, who are silently and doggedly pursuing a hidden agenda to annihilate the culture and the identity of the people of the northeastern states. Now, I will tell you what are the threats from the BJP at the national level, what are the threats from the BJP party and the government in power, especially to the northeastern states and to the Meghalaya state. You will know that BJP has rolled out a multi-pronged strategy to roll northeastern states in their folds. Last time, they nearly approved the CAB, Citizenship Amendment Bill. If not for the Congress party and the Congress party's president, Sri Rahul Gandhi, the Citizenship Amendment Bill which was passed in the Parliament would have passed in the Rajya Sabha. We stopped it. Because we know it is again an onslaught on the cultural identity of the northeastern states. They have also brought National Register of Citizenship, NRC, which is monitored, of course, by the Supreme Court. But today, the voices are growing louder and louder in the BJP Santu Sandor that they will bring it at the national level. This requires a lot of introspection, a lot of thought. There has been a threat, as it happened in Jammu and Kashmir. You know, Northeast has got Article 371, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and of course 6th Schedule, Part 2. And there is a threat of abrogation of Article 371, A, 371, B, 371, C, 371, D, E, F, G, H, and 6th Schedule. You see, as far as financial is concerned, the BJP government has removed the non-lapsable pool of resources, the scheme which was 90-10. This is, I will tell you subsequently, is putting a lot of hardships on the northern states and a lot of financial drain on the northern states, financial problems. The abolition of 5-year plans, the abolition of planning commission, organizing mass defections in the Congress party by hook or crook, by using force or money power. This is a murder of democracy. Now, these are various issues which are particularly facing the northeastern states. The most successful surgical strike of Mr. Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister, in India, you will be knowing, I don't want to tell you just now, definitely is not the surgical strike which Indira Gandhi did it in East Pakistan, now Bangladesh. It is not a surgical strike which Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru did in Goa, which gave us liberation in 1961. The biggest surgical strike which our Honorable Prime Minister has successfully did and for which we will be having 3 years on 8th, was demonetization. And thereafter was the GST, which has destroyed the country, which has destroyed the economy of this country, which has created unemployment, which has taken 45 years high. In other words, it has taken the country 45 years behind as far as employment scenario is concerned. It has created a problem for the farmers distress. It has brought down the GDP. It has brought down the industrial growth. The GDP has come down to 5%, which is abysmally low for the last 6 years. They have brought industrial growth to 1.1%, which is 7-year low. They have brought manufacturing to 1.2%, which is lowest in 2014. Core sector growth is 16 years low. Manufacturing is minus 1.2%, minus 1.2% growth. Bank NPAs have reached to 8 lakh crores of rupees. Economy is in shambles. Job creation is in coma. Economic and agricultural growth remains on the ventilator. Sinking, economy is sinking, savings, shutdown of businesses and spiraling of bank frauds reflect the state of affairs in the country today. In fact, in the last parliamentary election and the assembly elections, they should have discussed about this financial emergency in the country. But what they are talking? They are talking of Baroh. They are talking of surgical strikes, but they are conveniently not telling you about a surgical strike which has led to a job loss of 16 million. Just because of this faulty demonetization, we have lost 16 million jobs. Women has lost nearly 20 million jobs if you take last 3, 4, 5 years. We have to start a movement to save our nation from this Modi economics of the BJP. Today, what is frightening is RCEP, which is ready to sign as a free trade agreement. I have given you, and I am going to give you the economic scenario. I have only told you about the GDP, industrial growth. But if you see the consumer and consumer goods, which are mostly coming from China, and if you open up, then India will be a dumping ground for China, for Australia and other countries to dump their goods. As it is, our manufacturing sector is minus. Today, when we see the foreign presidents like USA, when he comes, they are trying to protect the industry. They are trying to protect the economy. There are economic wars, trade wars between China and USA. But here we have got an honorable Prime Minister who goes outside and sells whatever is left of this country. I have told you, the situation is so alarming. As on today, for the last 3 years, they have taken forcibly, because the earlier governors of the RBI were not agreeing, so they changed. Forcibly 3,89,000 crores. Today, to make up, to support their friends, the major corporates, they are selling public sector undertakings. How many? 11 public sector undertakings. And the money which is collected from there is used to pay the bad performance of this corporate sector. You see, one side, the Reserve Bank is looted. Other side, our profitable public sector undertakings are sold to either Adani's, Ambani's, airports are sold. And this is the state of affairs. If anybody is opposing, then they get income tax rate, enforcement directorate rate, they get calls, the press is intimidated. I know many of you are bold, courageous to stand this intimidation. The democratic and constitutional institutions are being taken over, like the RBI, like the judiciary. And now, without any fear, they started talking on behalf of the judiciary what decisions they are going to give. So I feel that we have to take this movement to the doorsteps of the citizens, the people. The money which is due to the contractors is not paid for the last so many years. And the money which was there in the fund are removed from one fund to another fund. There is total mismanagement. This is not a way you rule the country and rule the state. There is no word about employment here. Because as I have told you, millions of jobs are lost because of this so-called surgical strike of demonetization and GST. Government doesn't have money to fill up the vacant post. Government doesn't have money to pay the salaries. And what is paining me so much? See, Meghalaya, Shillong. Historically, these are the topmost states of the Northeast. Not one penny is spent for the development and progress. Not one penny worth infrastructure developmental works are carried out. In fact, most of the infrastructure there, I came from Guwahati to here, beautiful roads, Congress time. Congress party used to support. We had different schemes. We had a transport subsidy. We were looking at northeastern states as something special, so therefore we had given them the special category status. Today that is removed. And to make the matters worse, we are threatening to bring the CAB. I was reading the newspaper yesterday and I was very amused. Our government also had taken a decision to have facilitation centers. Now there has been a movement to have an inner lines permit. Sometimes it is required to maintain your identity, and northeastern states right from Congress time were given these special provisions. But here is a government who is trying to bring CAB so that crores of people who are waiting outside the country, they want to bring them here. So this is not a way you impose your agenda of annihilating the Northeast, your agenda of polarization on the smaller states which are having their unique identity and culture.